Hello students, today we will learn method in Java. So let's understand what is method in Java and then we will do some program. So method in Java. Okay. So first point is it is a way to perform some task, or I can say it is a block of code or collection of statements or set of code grouped together to perform some action. Okay. Why do we use method? For code reusability, code readability, easy modification. So that are the advantages. Okay. In method we have some parts. So let's understand what is the parts of method. Let me write one example. Public void sum int a comma int b, and inside it I will write one program, system dot out dot print a plus b. Okay, let's understand. So this is the method. It have some components. First component is what? Public. Public is a access specifier. Okay, we have some more access specifier. I will list down. First one is public, second one is private, then protected, and then default. Okay, that is basically for visibility. Okay, then second is what? Void. It is basically used as a return type, or I can say it is a return type. Why do we use void? If you don't want to return anything, then that case we use void. We have some more return type like primitive data type, object, collection, etc. Okay. Then next is sum. Sum is what? Sum is the number. Basically, what do you want to perform? By this conclusion, we give the name. Okay, so suppose I am adding two numbers, so I gave the name sum. If I want to subtract, so I will give the name subtract. Okay, so sum is basically a method name. Okay, then next come, that is called parameter list. So int A and int B is what? Parameter list. Okay, if we don't want to pass any parameter, we can left it blank. It contains the data type. Basically, what here I had used int A, int B. So basically it what contains data type and variable name. Clear? Then next come method body. So inside method body we write what? Code. What we want to perform. That we want to perform. Clear? The next point is types of method. So basically we have two types of method. First type is predefined method and second one is user defined method. So let's understand what is predefined method and what is user defined method. First is predefined method. The method which are already defined by the Java class is called predefined method. Clear? Let's take example. Example is length, max compared to. Okay. Then second is what? User defined method. The method which is written by the programmer or user, that is called user defined method. So it is defined by the user. Okay, let's do one program to understand user defined method. So I will create one class, public class user defined example. Okay, then next public static void main Okay, then close curly braces. Here I will write one user defined method, public static. We can also add static keyword with user defined method. Public static void, because after it one return time will come. Okay, then I will write sum, and here I will pass int a comma int b. Okay, now here I will add and print the addition of a and b, a plus b. Okay, let me close it. Now inside main method, it's not completed yet. It is string args. Okay, so inside main method I will use this user defined method. Okay, I will call sum. Now we have two parameter inside parameter list of user defined method. What is int a and int b? So I will pass the value from here. I will pass 2 and 5. Okay, let's save the program. User defined example dot java. Okay, now I will run the program. So I will go to the folder where it is saved, and then here I will open command prompt, and now I will pass the command javac user defined example dot java. Okay, what it is showing? Okay, I had done mistake. Static. Okay, then save it and then run again. Okay, now I will write java user defined example. Okay, now run. What will I get? 7, because 2 plus 5 is what? 7. So I am getting 7 over here. So that was the example of user defined method. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe it.